Welcome class 10. In previous video we discussed about finding mode for three type of data. Number 1, when direct class is given to you. Okay. Number 2, when data is given in the form of below or less than. Number 3, if data is given in the form of when it is given data more than. Right. Now we'll talk about median for the group data. I have taken one example. Before finding median, we should know formula. Yes or no? See, so first we are writing formula of the median. Median equal to L plus L by 2 minus CF upon F multiplied by H. Got it? Okay, students? First, we will remember formula. L plus L by 2 minus CF upon F multiplied by H. By saying this, you know what is L means lower limit, H means class size, frequency, CF stands for cumulative frequency. CF stands for cumulative frequency. Okay. Now, according to formula, what is required? N. N is what? Total. In example, it is written here, N is 60. We can get it by 2. Now, cumulative frequency required. So, we will have to make column of 0. Okay. What it? For finding median, we need to write cumulative frequency. Now, see. Cumulative frequency in class 9 you have learned. If you remember very good, don't remember very good. Not necessary to remember. Sometimes you forget. So see, cumulative frequency, this data is 0 to 10, 10, 20, 20, 30, 30, 40, 40, 50, 50, 60. First check, data is continuous. Okay, so is this inclusive or exclusive? Okay, not understanding. So is this class inclusive, including 10? No, because 10 becomes lower limit of next class. So this is exclusive data. This is exclusive data. Okay. Now see, for CF, first we will write this 5. Then 5 plus 8, 13. 13 plus 20. Come on, 33. 33 plus 15. Yes. 48. 48 plus 7, 55. 55 plus 5, 60. See, this 5 plus 8, 13. 13 plus 20, 33. 33 plus 15, 48. 48 plus 7, 55. 55 plus 5, 60. Did you understand, students, how to make CF? Very simple. Write first frequency, add CF of this class, then add this to next, total, add this total to next, again total, add this new total to next, again new total, add this new total to next, you get new total like this. You made CF of the classes. Okay. Now come to example. See, we are now finding median class. First of all, we find N. What is N? 60 upon 2, 30. Okay. After finding N by 2, now see what is that 30. Now go to cumulative frequency column where CF is slightly greater than 30. Now come to CF class column and see what is the CF slightly greater than 30. Slightly greater than 30, this one. Okay, so this CF gives us median class. Clear? Understood? first find n by 2, 30. Now take slightly more than 30 in CF column. Slightly more than 30 is 33. Okay, these are all more, but this is slightly more than 30, 33. So this CF gives us middle class. Therefore, middle class equal to 20 to 30. We got N and H. H is 10. Okay. Now frequency. Frequency of the middle class is frequency, that is F. Frequency of middle class. Now CF. CF of preceding class. See, what is middle class? This is middle class. Now cumulative frequency example is CF of preceding class. Preceding means just before the middle class. What is the before middle class? 10 to 20. What is it? CF 30. This is CF. So CF equal to 30. That is what? CF of preceding class. Or class before middle class. Dear friends, important is understanding. In Great Harry, students are writing the same CF and getting wrong. Okay? So this n by 2, what is the use of n by 2? N by 2 helps us to get middle class. How to locate middle class? After finding n by 2, 30. So 30 से थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा कौन सा है? 33. So this 33 gives you middle class. फटाक से लिख लो, लिख लिया, you wrote. Now, so what is frequency of this class? 20, that is F. Now this CF. So CF of preceding class. इससे preceding class कौन सा? Preceding is before middle class. CF 30. Okay, you got L. You got H. Now very simple. Put value. See, therefore median equal to 20 plus n by 2 30 minus CF 13 divided by F 20. Okay. See, multiplied by H 10. This 20 is frequency. Luckily you got L also 20. ये मत समझना ये सेम नंबर है. ये फ्रीक्वेंसी. This is lower limit. This is frequency. Okay, students. So please, now it's very clear. First of all, now see what is that 20. 0 0 cancel. 30 minus 30, 17 upon 2. And if you remember, I told you, in all these examples of like mean, median, mode, a fractions को पहले decimal करो. Don't find LCM. Decimal करिए. Yes, you got it. 20 plus yes 8.5. 8.5. 17 upon 2, 8.5. So you got them. This is 28.5. See, how simple? Very simple. Yes or no? Students, very important. Short examples. Marks are in our pocket. Right? So I am giving one example of median to you by taking click from the exercise. Please, today you solve median yourself, and 2 examples of mode I give you for less than, below and more than. After explanation, teaching you, today solve it and send answer to me. Okay, see you.